Welcome, everyone, to a fascinating journey into the life of one of the world's most successful investors, Warren Buffett. You might know him for his billions, but there's so much more to this legendary figure. Today, we're diving into 10 unique facts that you probably didn't know about Warren Buffett. Fact number 1. Buffett bought his first stock at the age of 11. While most kids were playing with toys, Warren was already investing in Citi's Service Preferred stock. He bought 3 shares at $38 apiece. Fact number 2, he initially got rejected by Harvard Business School. Despite his impressive academic record and early business ventures, Buffett was turned down by Harvard. He later attended Columbia Business School, where he studied under Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. Fact number 3, Buffett lived in the same house for over 60 years. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett lives in a modest house in Omaha, Nebraska, that he bought in 1958 for $31,500. This embodies his value-oriented lifestyle. Fact number 4, he eats like a child. Buffett is known for his unusual diet, favoring Coca-Cola, hamburgers, and ice cream over healthy foods. He jokingly claims that his diet is the reason he's lived so long. Fact number 5, Buffett plays the ukulele. Buffett is an avid ukulele player and often plays at charity events and Berkshire Hathaway meetings. It's one of his favorite ways to unwind and entertain. Fact number 6, he reads voraciously. Buffett spends a significant portion of his day reading. He believes that reading is crucial for learning and making informed investment decisions. Fact number 7, Buffett pledged to give away 99% of his wealth to philanthropic causes. He is committed to donating the vast majority of his fortune to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and other charities. Fact number 8, he doesn't use a computer or smartphone. The narrator said, surprised. In a world dominated by technology, Buffett remains remarkably low-tech. He relies on traditional methods like reading newspapers and making phone calls. Fact number 9, Buffett is a close friend of Bill Gates. Their friendship spans decades, built on mutual respect and shared interests in business and philanthropy. They often collaborate on various projects. Fact number 10, he still drives his own car. Despite having access to private transportation, Buffett prefers to drive himself. It's another example of his grounded lifestyle. So there you have it, unique facts about Warren Buffett that reveal the man behind the billions. From his early investment ventures to his philanthropic endeavors and quirky habits, Buffett's life is full of surprises and valuable lessons. But that's not all. Warren Buffett's life philosophy provides even deeper insights. He's a firm believer in the power of patience and long-term commitment, both in investments and life. As Buffett famously said, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. His words inspire many to adopt a steady approach to their financial journeys. His influence is far-reaching, inspiring countless individuals to pursue education and philanthropy. Many attribute their success to Buffett's wisdom and guidance. So there you have it, 10 facts about Warren Buffett that reveal the man behind the billions. From his early investment ventures to his philanthropic endeavors and quirky habits, Buffett's life is full of surprises and valuable lessons. Thank you for exploring this in-depth look at Warren Buffett. Let his story inspire you to chart your own path with confidence and integrity. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content.